Dematting rakes and combs. These two are pretty controversial tools, and personally, I do not like to use them. The reason for that is because they are useful for some things, but only in under specific circumstances, which I can work around with another tool I'm using way more frequently and with greater results. So it is useful. I mean, both of them are useful for cases when the mat is a smaller bunch, not a bigger surface mat, multiple bunches joined together, and it is located away from the skin so you can get a grip to avoid the pulling sensation reaching the skin. Many people get confused that whenever they are using these rakes, then it's gonna be not just effective, but it's gonna be also comfortable for the doodle. Now, it's not. To make it simple and easy to understand, they are absolutely not comfortable for anything with deep mats on, when we are not able to get a comfort grip between the skin and the mat. And any pet who has a pulse, and they are not under anesthesia, it's gonna be painful in case there is no comfort grip between between the skin and the mat. So while they can be effectively used, the thing is the coat might get detangled and dematted. The coat will get tangled and matted after it's used way more because of the way it cuts the hair and the angle it cuts the hair. And the whole hair quality will be sacrificed just to save a few bunches of hair. And again, it's just not comfortable for the doodle in case you don't have that comfort grip. And oftentimes, whenever doodle moms and dads are at the stage when they are looking for dematting rakes and combs, their doodle is already at a stage mat-wise that it's not going to be useful at all. Even if they give you a cute little name tag or color tag or necklace with the equipment, I find them absolutely disturbing. It's very easy to cause injury for the dog because of the super, super sharp edges without any protection there. And you really need to know how to use them and the anatomy of your dog. And you really need to keep your doggy comfortable and still for all of this, which both will be very, very tricky because most of the time we can't get a good grip, so the doggy will be uncomfortable and they will wiggle, so safety is right out of the window there. So I do not recommend to use them. There are teeny tiny situations when they are useful, yet there's going to be other equipment which we can work around and which will be way, way more comfortable for your doodle. So we don't get just a tangle and mat-free coat, but a cooperative doggy right meanwhile and right at the end. So all in all, dematting rakes and combs,